we've got our van parked up at Vivon Beach campsite, and it's another beautiful day, so we've come down to the beach, we've gone for a swim, and Keelan's about to go for a surf because there's a little bit of surf around.
Excuse me, I'm droning, but we won't tell you exactly where it is because I don't want to piss the local surfers off and then reveal their surf break. So I'll let you guys come out and find the surf break, but I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find it pretty easy. So anyway, I'm gonna go out for a surf. I've just got the drone up now. It's looking absolutely stunning. And yeah, it should be a really nice day out here today. I'm Keelan, and this is Sarah. We have been fishing, surfing, full driving our way around Australia for the past year now. Meet Percy and Keith Urban, our trusty steeds. Subscribe to join our adventure. So we just got into the national park, and as you saw there, guys, we found some Cape Barren geese, and they're literally hanging out on the road. And I don't know who's the smarter creature, because humans actually surprise me all the time. These people come ripping up in their car, pull up in the middle of the road, park in the middle of the road, get out and get a photo. So I don't know who's actually smarter, the bloody turkeys or humans. So we're just here at Remarkable Rocks, and it is quite remarkable. It's like some sort of god has just plopped it on there, but I won't specifically say what god. Some people go to Bunnings on a Sunday, so for this example we use Bunnings. God has just dropped this rock on top of this other rock, and I'm hoping there's a good sausage sizzle down there. So let's go check it out.
What day is it?
Oh, it's my birthday too, so if you're watching this and you want to give me a birthday present, please hit that big red button down below, subscribe button. It will go a long way, and yeah, it's a cheap birthday present, but I'll appreciate it muchly. Let's go. Look up, it looks like it's an egg cart. They've gone to Coles and bought 32 pack of eggs. Bloody big eggs, but it's pretty cool. But how the hell has this even happened? Like the shapes of these rocks and how they got put here is just ridiculous. I have no idea, I can't even explain it. It must have been a volcanic eruption and just shit everywhere, pandemonium, and they're just landing like hotcakes, I don't know.
It's just remarkable.
It's remarkable.
here at Weirs Cove Ruins. It's a actually, I don't even know what it is. So Keelan knows what it is.
I know what it is because I'm into me bloody histories. But I tell you what, she's seen better days, and we're just here, right? And the reason this didn't burn down because it's obviously built strong and how they used to build everything, and it was out of stone and concrete and crap. So what happened was they built a jetty down below, which we'll show you in a minute. But they've actually hauled every chunk of concrete, every chunk of stone up here to build this, which would have taken bloody years, and their backs would have been stuffed. And I tell you what, there wouldn't have been any bloody workers comp back in the day. They would have just got told to toughen up and keep going. So it's pretty cool to see it, and I love this sort of stuff. It gives me shivers. Yeah.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in the trash now.
So we're just at Admiral's Arch here, and this is probably one of the biggest attractions in the national park, and it is stunning. You walk around the corner and it takes you away. It's pretty cool, and there's heaps of little seals in the protected zone down there. The wind is absolutely howling today. I reckon it's a good 35 knots. There's tuna boats out the back here, and it's such a raw coastline. It cops the whole brunt of the swell, the wind, the everything, and you can just tell by the way it's formed. Like for instance, this arch is probably formed from all these waves pushing up in here, and just over time it erodes it. It's absolutely amazing. You definitely have to come and check this joint out.
Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it.
So we've had a good day in the national park, and it is my birthday, and you know when you send out invites to your birthday party and you just never know who's going to rock up? Well, I've sent a very, very famous person an invitation. This person actually plays for the Wallabies, believe it or not, and they're an international star, and they've actually rocked up, which is just amazing. I might have had a few beers too, so bear in mind. Check out this bloody turkey. G'day, mate. Mate. Just.
So if he's like, where the hell's my dinner? I mean, a cup there. Watch your balls in your eyelid, Keelan.
Now, what? Watch as the animal.
Hang on.
It's recording, Derek.
Oh, it's recording.
David Attenborough.
So, watch how the animal.
In his
Beautiful.
natural habitat.
Beautiful stuff. This is a native brown wallaby. His name is Frank. So it's a Tema wallaby. Don't know why I've got a South African accent going on. It might be because I'm hanging out with Just Vanning it. Nah, he's actually a beauty. There you go, mate. Scratch the wallaby. Beautiful. What have we made, Sarah?
We've got some lemon pepper steaks, which were on special for $5, and then we've got a $2 packet of rice, and we've just chucked some $2 frozen veg in there, and a bag of crab.
And a side of wallaby.
Okay, so I'm in the van. Keelan's off with Derek and Sue and Danny and Emma, and I've told them all to keep him busy. It's his birthday tomorrow, so I wanted to do a cake before everyone leaves. So I've got my little cake here. I've got someone on filming duty, so let's hope we surprise him. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Keelan. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray!
I'm gonna spit all over this. I'm so sorry.
COVID, mate. You got to do the COVID. Jeez, you're right.
My one moment, and you've stolen the limelight.
Cake number 2, how do you feel?
Fat. Fat and old.
That one's a homemade one.
Let the fun begin.
So we've got ourselves a gin tasting paddle here. We've got our wild gin, origin, whiskey barrel aged gin, Old Tom gin and mulberry gin, which you mix with blood orange. Yum. So we're just heading down to Bales Beach this morning. This one's in Cape Ganthium Wilderness Park. So what you do apparently is you head down and then you go to the right and you go right down to the corner, and it's really pretty. So we're going to go check that out.
Sarah's about to do a big jump. Here we go. Go. So we told you at the start, part 1, that we're going to show you Kangaroo Island like you've never seen it before. And true to our word, we've gone fishing. We've caught an abundant range of seafood, pretty much every species that's in the ocean. We've eaten it. We've shown you how to cook it. We've gone surfing, which I haven't seen ever on YouTube either at Kangaroo Island. And now we're showing you a beach that isn't that touristy, but it's definitely one that should be. It's absolutely spectacular down here. We've got these big 6-footers, probably maybe even a tad bigger, breaking out the back here. Don't know if it's surfable. You definitely need a jet ski or a big set of nurries on you to paddle out that far, especially after we saw that great white on the jetty. So we're going to take you down the end here. So where we're taking you is an absolute gem of a spot, and hopefully we can showcase it and give it some justice, because it looks absolutely spectacular. So we've reached the destination. We've walked all the way around the point to this beautiful arch, and just inside of it, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like a real deep channel. You could almost swim through that, and the water's just funneling through. It's so cool to see. I think Sarah's found about 200 starfish.
There's so many. It's like a little starfish sanctuary.
Look at the coastline, so rugged. All the cliffs look like that because the swell is absolutely firing on the outside. We're just looking into these beautiful little caves. Definitely come down to this spot. Like I said, it's one of the ones that are less travelled, but I can assure you that you'll have a good time here. Check this cave out. Woo! That's all she wrote for Kangaroo Island. Let us know in the comments below what island that we should do around Australia next. I know there's a lot around Queensland and we have no idea where they are, so let us know in the comments below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and go watch either part 1 of Kangaroo Island or part 2 if you haven't already seen it, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks heaps, legends. You.